Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to unlock Snapchat account when permanently locked. If you're using Snapchat and your Snapchat account has been permanently locked, so let's see how can you easily unlock it or get it back. So the very first thing you just have to open your settings and you have to go for general. You have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with that. Then go back, open your browser here. I have to search for a website named Snapchat Search. So just search for Snapchat Support. Once you find Snapchat Support here, open the first website here. Just scroll down and look for the option of Contact Us. And here just further scroll down and look. I can't access my account. Tap on that and then select the option of I see an error message when I log in. And here select is your account logged, so select yes. And then scroll down and look for the option of no from here. And here you just have to look for the form to fill or to submit a request to Snapchat support team. So from here you just have to select the error which you see on your phone or on your Snapchat when you're logged in. So I'm going to select the error message I got isn't listed here. Then further scroll down and look for the option of filling in this form. Tap on that. And here you just have to enter your username. Then enter the active email address or the email which has been associated with your Snapchat account. And here you have to enter your phone number. Then enter your issue here. You just have to write a description to describe your issue that you're facing, and after doing that tap on submit option. Once you have submitted, Snapchat will respond to you in almost 24 hours, and after that your issue will be fixed and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.